What's the meaning of couturier? Couturier. Couturier.
Couturier. Couturier. Couturier is a French word that refers to a fashion designer who creates high-end, custom-made clothing for individual clients. The term couture itself comes from the French word for sewing, and it denotes a level of craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes above and beyond what is typically found in ready-to-wear fashion. Couturiers often work with luxurious fabrics and intricate embellishments to create one-of-a-kind garments that are tailored specifically to the client's body and preferences. In short, a couturier is an artist who uses fabric as their medium to create wearable works of art.